In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Gmail to Monday.com. By the end, you'll know how to open the right board, access the integration center, and choose Gmail so you can start streamlining email-related workflows. First, open your Monday.com account and head to the board where you want the connection to live. In this example, we're using a board called Trial Management. You can find it from the left sidebar under your workspace or by using the search bar at the top to type the board name. Integrations are scoped to a single board, so make sure you're on the exact board where you want emails to interact with items, statuses, or assignees. If you don't see the board, switch workspaces or confirm you've been granted access by your admin. With the board open, look toward the upper right area of the screen for the Integrate button. Depending on your interface, it may be labeled Integrate or Integrations and often uses a small puzzle piece icon. Click it to open the Integration Center. If the button isn't there, your account might not include integrations on its current plan, or your permissions may be restricted. In that case, check with a workspace owner to enable integrations for this board. Inside the Integration Center, you'll see a gallery of available apps. Locate Gmail by scrolling or by typing Gmail into the search field, and then click Gmail. This brings up Gmail's integration options for your board. You'll see a set of ready-made automation recipes that connect email events with Monday.com actions and vice versa. For example, you'll find options that send an email from Gmail when a status changes, or create and update items based on incoming messages. This is the control hub for tailoring how email fits into your team's process. A few quick tips as you proceed from here. Decide which board columns, like status, people, or date, will drive your email workflows so the recipes make sense in context. Keep your naming conventions clear because subject lines and item names often become part of the same story. If you collaborate through a team inbox, consider how ownership and notifications are handled on this board before choosing any automation. That's all there is to it. Open the right board, click Integrate, and select Gmail to access the available recipes. You're now ready to shape a reliable bridge between Gmail and your Monday.com board that reduces manual work and keeps communication connected to your tasks.